Hey guys, so I'm making the Starbucks green tea using the Trader Joe's matcha green tea powder. There's 7 packs and it's about $7. So about $1 versus like $5, $6 at Starbucks. So I'm gonna open this up. I have a little bit of water in the cup. I'm just using cold water. You can use warm or hot water. So put the whole pack in here. And this comes unsweetened. And I need to get some sugar. I'm just gonna use like a tablespoonful of sugar, but if you want more or less, you can just adjust it to your taste. And then give it a good stir. And it's okay if it doesn't melt 100%, no biggie. And then add like a quarter cup of milk or more if you want. And you can use any kind of milk. I'm just using regular grass-fed cow's milk. Give it a good stir. Add ice. And I like it with lots of ice. Kind of got stuck in there. Come out, ice. And then let's taste. That's it. Tastes just like Starbucks. Great deal. It's from Trader Joe's. Check it out.